Building a fully automated job board platform sounds like something only developers can pull off, but Bubble.io makes it possible without writing a single line of code. Here's the exact step-by-step process. And stick around, because the automation in Step 5 is the part most builders completely miss. Step 1. Create your Bubble app and set up 2 data types, one for job listings and one for employer profiles. Step 2. Design your job board layout using Bubble's drag-and-drop editor, adding a searchable list view for open positions. Step 3. Build separate sign-up flows for employers and job seekers, using Bubble's built-in user authentication system. Once accounts exist, employers need a simple way to post new job listings without touching your database directly. Step 4. Create a workflow so that when an employer submits a form, a new job listing automatically gets created and published live. Step 5. The part most builders miss. Add an automatic expiration workflow so listings archive themselves after 30 days. Without this, your job board fills up with dead listings, and users stop trusting the platform within weeks. Step 6. Add search and filter functionality, letting job seekers filter listings by location, category, and salary range instantly. Step 7. Connect Stripe so employers pay to post premium listings, and payments trigger automatically the moment a job goes live. This turns your job board from a simple directory into an actual revenue-generating SaaS product, without extra manual work. Step 8. Set up automatic email notifications so employers get alerted the instant a new candidate applies to their listing. This keeps both sides engaged. Employers respond faster, and job seekers stay active instead of giving up and disappearing. Step 9. Test the entire flow yourself, posting a listing, applying as a job seeker, and confirming every workflow fires correctly. No manual database entry, no developer required, no months of custom backend code to maintain. Builders using this exact structure have launched fully functional job boards in days, not months. And because it's built natively in Bubble, new features can be added anytime without touching a single line of code. This is exactly how solo builders are creating profitable SaaS products without ever hiring an engineering team. If you want to follow this build step by step yourself, the tool is linked below.